Want to see me almost die about an hour ago? It's on the 4th jump. Christ. There's 1 360. I kinda landed.
Oh yeah.
Gonna get enough speed for this one. This one I get some good air. And this is where I die. You gotta look closely. Right on my back. Oh God. GoPro went flying. People ask me if I'm alright. And if I'm gonna do that again.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.